With the new Trace feature, you can safely review and add feedback directly to a DWG file without altering the existing drawing. Let's say I want to make some changes in the AutoCAD mobile app. I open my DWG and I click on New Trace. I zoom in to where I want to make the change. I want to add a sync, so I mark the area with a rev cloud and I write a note. I'm safely adding markups without altering the existing file. I click on the check mark to close my trace and I save my drawing. Back in AutoCAD, my coworker opens the drawing from cloud storage. She goes to the Trace palette and clicks on the trace. She clicks on the icon to send the trace to the back. This lets her see the changes while she's drafting. And when she's done, she clicks the check mark to close out of the trace. She can continue with her other work. Now let's look at it as a collaborator in the AutoCAD web app. I open my file into the AutoCAD web app. I create a new trace. I decide I want to extend the wall out 20 feet, so I use the drafting tools to mark up that change. I'm essentially drawing my changes over the existing drawing without altering it. I add a rev cloud to make the change easy to spot, and I add a note. When I'm done with my trace, I click on the check mark, and then I save my drawing. Back in AutoCAD, my coworker opens the drawing from cloud storage. She goes to the Collaborate tab and clicks on the Trace palette to open my trace. She clicks on the icon in the Trace menu to send the trace to the back. Again, this lets her see my markups while she picks up the design change. She clicks on the check mark when she's finished capturing the design changes, and she gets back to her other updates. This innovative digital workflow does away with the need for red pens and highlighters, so your team can add design changes quickly and accurately.